Following successful pick stage completion, the pack document becomes available in Odoo's Inventory module. When opened, it displays all previously picked items ready for packing. Switch to the Warehouse 15 app on your device and navigate to the pack operation. Select your pack document. The app will prompt you to scan either a package barcode or item barcode. First, let's scan a package. These package barcodes must be configured in Odoo through the Configuration Arrow Package Types menu. We have configured 2 package types. Let's scan one of them. With the package scanned, scan each item barcode as you physically place it in the package. Once all items are packed, close the package. The system will automatically print a package label containing detailed contents list, full shipping information address, payment terms, shipping terms, customer details, the sales order number barcode, the airway bill number barcode, and most importantly, this exact package's unique barcode. Prepare another package following the same process. Next, let's scan 2 bulk items that won't be packaged. These will generate basic shipping labels with full address details, but without package barcodes. Then create the final package. With all items processed, complete the pack document. In Odoo, verify the document status has updated to Done. All package barcodes are properly recorded. Each package shows correct contents. To review packages, navigate to the Packages section of the document. When inspecting individual packages, note that pressing back once shows all warehouse packages. Press back again and re-enter the document's packages view to see only those related to this order. Now the ship document is ready for processing.